Ka-braces. Don't know if I can speak properly. I don't know what else to do. Show must go on. Before anything else, I need to get my microphone. Ooh, there we go. Nice room light. So let's get started. Thank you all so much for watching my last video. I am so happy. Some of my friends and some of you guys here really took the time to watch the video. The product showcase of the latest Honda Genio 2020. I call the motor Janwe. It's the unit that I got a few weeks back, and right now I'm just really waiting for the bike registration to come in, and pwede na gyud ko masugtan na ako mga moto vlogs and other travel vlogs and all that shit. Gahinom-hinom na gyud ko, guys, to be honest. Kung kabalo pa lang mo, lami na kayo drive sa daan. Pero actually, nag-drive naman ko dere. Doon sa amo agaw. I just drive right inside the village. Mag-practice na ko, going to the gym and back at home. And wala rin kuyaw sa dalan because it's just near my home, like maybe half a kilometer going to the gym. So yeah, if I get the registration na, wala na, finish na good because bisag asa na siguro ko makitaan. If you're interested to see that video, I will link the video up here. Again, my name is Brit. I'm new to YouTube. I make different contents. I own a motorbike and I will probably be talking about it in this channel in the coming months. But anyways, don't forget to click on the like button, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell so you can get notified when I upload my new videos. So now that we're still waiting for the registration, for now, I would like to share with you one of the things that I did or have last year. It's when I decided to have my nose or my septum pierced, and it's an act of self-experiment. I was also curious, and I honestly see it as a cool thing to have. So I thought, why not, you know, share it with you guys. But also, let me mention that I just got new braces, so please don't get distracted with this. Even ako galisod kong storya, and to be honest, sakit pa akong bagang, so please bear with me. Anyways, here it is.
Septum piercing. It means it's a piercing that's located at your septum. It is a part of your nose. Your septum is a thin wall of cartilage that runs down the center of your nose, separating your right and left nostrils. A septum piercing, however, should not penetrate the cartilage. It should go through the softer space of tissue just below the septum. Piercers refer to it as the sweet spot.
In this video, I will show you that very day I got my nose pierced.
Sure, Jude? Yeah, sure?
Hi, this is Cherry. Anak pa sa unta siya para I can just do it like that.
Lisod kay na, captive na. Gamutuan, lisod kay na siya niya.
Pero murag, kuha naman good siya. Uy,
Over?
di naman.
Siguro
for a start, okay na ganyan eh.
Pwede naman pagkatulang basic.
O basic na.
Kato na lang
Ang
sa'yo.
if ever mahila siya, ganahan ko murag. Ako ano siya.
Or problema. Naman tayo, nakaluwa ka. Nakaluwa lang.
Yung ko naman.
Ayun na pag-atlas, okay. Ano yung exam?
Wala.
Lagi ka lagi.
Okay.
Lock na lang. Double check pa nga natagad mo at ba ngayon?
Okay, carry. Dali, dungan ka.
Ha? Tulis mo na.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Kasya sa huwag moralit na dalit eh. Ilong.
Questions to ask. What made me decide to get it? Wala lang, trip lang. I know it's a part of other people's culture. To most people here in the Philippines, it has become a facial accessory, and truth be told, nindot sa gyud biya siya tan-awon. For me maybe not to some people, but to me, I like the thought of having it and even liked it more that I got it on me. Number 2, does it hurt? Sakit ba siya? Masakit ba? Syempre, like any other piercing, there is a certain degree of pain, of course, because a needle is needed to insert through the starting to the end point of the pierce. For this particular procedure, I would say 2 out of 10 ang sakit. I think it also depends on who is operating you. Before doing the pierce, I did adequate research to know its pain, the healing time, aftercare, the cost, side effects, how to change the septum, etc. Which leads me to number 3, and that is, where should you get it? My advice, do a lot of research. I mean, I'm sure there's a lot of people who do it on their own, experiment on their own, and there may be cases na because of that, they end up regretting because of the complications or infection. Because of that, I recommend that you should just do more Google or Facebook or Instagram research on who is the best piercer in town, or maybe not the best in town, maybe somebody you know who knows somebody they trust when it comes to piercing. Investigate on why they're good and why you should trust them. The better the reviews, the better comfort you'll get to decide that you'll really get it from them. Ako, I got mine from Sureza Piercing. She's based here in Cebu. She travels from Punta to Milanilla to Naga, and I think she has her own shop in Naga. The reviews, I looked at her on Instagram specifically. Her reviews were comforting. She has a lot of satisfied clients, and ubay-ubay na gid yung mga customers. So I got it from her. If you're near these places and is willing to get pierced, you guys can check her out. I will leave her in the description box. I got the piercing 3rd week of December last year, and as you can see, I don't have it on anymore. There was a time na I needed to remove it for postal ID renewal, and girl, syempre I had to remove it. I did not bother putting it back because I kind of missed the feeling na I can just pinch my nose every time. Let me tell you, on the first night when I got my pierce, nakalimot gyud ko nga na ko tusok sa kong ilong. So what I did was, wala lang, nikalit lang kong ana, because wala man the reason, it's a habit for us to just touch our nose or do whatever and pinch like to sa atong ilong. So moto siya akong na kasi ako nose, sakit kaayo, may gani wala nagdugo, or I think nagdugo to gamay. Basta I just miss the feeling na anytime I'm just free to move whatever part of my face. Of course, that was new, and I think na it was only after a month that I needed to take an ID picture. So more of like, wala pa ko naanad sa septum na gitaod sa akong ilong, and when I removed it, my body was kinda telling me na it's okay, you don't have to put it back on, it's better this way. Murag gimingaw ko ba nga, wala ko yung hunahunaon nga anytime I can just do anything, move something on my face. Now we're down to number 4, cost for septum only. I got mine for, I think that was 900 peso. I can't remember for sure. Plus, I got 2 piercing that cost me 500 peso for both. I guess it varies, depende siguro kung asa ka nga shop nagpa-pierce. I would guess that their prices are different. But let me ask her real quick kung pila gito yung pabayad sa ako because I really forgot. So yeah, that's my septum pierce story. Dili na kayo nakutaso ng akong story because padalong nangit-ngit. I know this is off topic, and I believe that a lot of you guys that are here are into the motorbike vlogs because the response last week was very encouraging. So next week, I promise to give you more of that. I already ordered a camera for my moto vlog, and next week, hopefully, you will join me when I do my moto vlogging setup na. If you're a passerby and if you find this video interesting or helpful, if you're planning to get a septum pierce and then this video has helped you decide on getting it, or if not, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. Also hit on the notification bell to see more of me, and also nangita ko amigo amiga, drop your comments down below. Follow me on my socials. It's Brit Babe on Facebook and Brittle Babe on Instagram. There you have it, friends. This has been your tabian friend, Brittle Babe, Brit for short. Thank you so much for watching my video. Till next time, sakit akong and again, stay safe. Bye-bye!